Looking for a fun way to play games and win cash? Today, we're reviewing the Blitz Win Cash app. Is it really legit or just another scam? Let's find out. Blitz Win Cash is a mobile app where you can play quick, simple games like puzzles, cards, and arcade style challenges. The twist? Instead of just playing for fun, you can actually win real rewards and cash while competing. Here's how it works. Download the app, create your account, and choose from different mini games. Each game gives you chances to win coins or rewards. Build them up, and you can cash out through PayPal or gift cards depending on the offer available. People enjoy Blitz Win Cash because it's super easy to get started. No complicated rules. Plus, the games are quick, so you can play during a break or while waiting around. And yes, many players have already cashed out their winnings successfully. So, is Blitz Win Cash legit? The answer is yes. It's a real app that works, and while you won't become rich overnight, it's a fun way to enjoy games and earn a little extra on the side. My verdict? Blitz Win Cash is a legit, safe, and worth trying if you like quick games with real rewards. Download it, play your favorite games, and see how much you can win.